Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Here you can see we used our tilt wheel. Start up our 84 Blazer. You can see got just under half tank. Left blinker works. Right blinker works. Horn does not work. There, I heard the air kick in. Got retro sound stereo system in it.
Trying to figure out exactly what the federal government was thinking and
Hear the radio.
And through the
Said power locks are bad.
Information Act request, I still don't have a complete answer.
There's your
Here's what I
wipers.
do know. President John Kennedy asked the U.S. Justice Department to look into whether there was anything illegal about the rise. And his brother, Attorney General Robert Kennedy, he called it a disgrace and deplorable, but ended up finding that no
I think
federal
the rear
law was
window
being
needs some
violated.
work too. There you can see your dome
This is
light.
messed up, but our hands are tied.
It's had the original motor replaced with a GM good wrench. You can see the tag right there, 350. There's the original option sheet. You can see the air kicking in. Runs good. Like I said, we got a couple other little things to do to it. I think we're gonna put some tailpipes on it.
Family was living in one of the most notorious urban.
There you can see the oil pressure. So, if got any questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391.